Good morning, students. We will continue with the fourth sum, exercise 4.4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine present ages. Sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So, first you have to see whether this situation is possible or not. दो फ्रेंड की एजेस का सम दिया हुआ है 20. Let the age of first friend x years, age of second friend y years, y न लूँ 20 minus x ले. 4 years ago, age of first friend was x minus 4. Age of second friend was 16 minus x. So product of their ages 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. So 4 साल पहले उनकी एजेस का जो प्रोडक्ट है that was 48. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x minus 48 equal to 0. Minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equal to 0. A's value minus 1, B's value 20, C's value minus 112. So this is B square minus 4AC. 20 square, A's value minus 1, C's value minus 112. 400 minus 448 minus 48. So this less than 0. So this situation is impossible. So the sum was that the sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. So I suppose age of first friend x years, age of second friend 20 minus x years. 4 years ago, the age of first friend was x minus 4 and age of second friend was 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x. So 4 years ago, the product of their ages, so x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x minus 48 equal to 0. So minus x square plus 20x, 16 and 4, minus 64 minus 48 minus 412. On solving, you get D's value 0, less than 0. So this situation is not possible, right? So our next sum is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area is 400 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. So first you have to check whether length or breadth are equal. Length and breadth, is it possible? So you suppose let length of rectangular park x meter, breadth of rectangular park y meter. This is just like 11th sum of exercise 4.3. Perimeter of rectangular park is given 80 meter. So perimeter is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So x plus y is 40. So x comes out to be 40 minus y. Area of rectangular park is also given. That is 400 meters square. So length into breadth equal to 400. In place of x, I can write 40 minus y into y. This is 40y minus y square minus 400. So minus y square plus 40y minus 400. 20 sum. So minus y common, y minus 20, 20 common, y minus 20. So factors are minus y plus 20 and y minus 20. Minus y plus 20 equal to 0, y comes out to be 20, y equal to 20. Therefore length of rectangular park equal to 20 meter and breadth is 40 meter. This is the one way. If they ask you that is this situation possible, then you can go with the discriminant also. So see here a minus 1 है, b 40 है, c minus 400 है. So d is b square minus 4ac. 40 square 4 into minus 1 into minus 400. 1600 minus 1600. So this is 0. So this situation is possible. So you can go with this alternative way then. You calculate this x minus 40 plus minus 1600 over 2 into a's value minus 1. Minus 40 plus 40 upon minus 2. This is 0. Then minus 40 over minus 2. This is here it is 0. So this is 20 here. B's value is 40. So this is 20 meter here and it is again 20. So in both cases the values are same. So therefore length is 20 and breadth is 2 into 20. Breadth is also 20 meter. 40 minus 20. Both length and breadth are equal in this case. If length and breadth are equal, then it becomes a special case of rectangle, that is square.